Oskar Feldmann, a prominent figure in the Ferrari and Alfa community, purchased this car and had it shipped from California to Gaston Andre's dealership in Massachusetts, where Oskar worked. Among other achievements, Oskar worked as a mechanic and sometimes co-driver with Gaston Andre during several SCCA, Trans Am, and other championship racing series. Unfortunately, the car sat for many years before being acquired by the current owner in 2021, at which time he engaged with the Paddock to transform it into what you see today, a high-performance version of the iconic Alfa Romeo GTV. The car was completely restored and painted using a tricolor scheme matching that of Alfa Romeo's Formula One cars, Alfa Romeo Rosso Competizione. The goal was simple: build a road-going track day car that would be highly competitive. We therefore reached out to Alfaholics and began building the car using their GTA-R engine, suspension, and driveline components. The resulting car now boasts over 210 horsepower from its ported twin-spark 2.1-liter engine and weighs only 2,050 pounds. Alfaholics has been designing and engineering parts for these cars for over 4 decades, and they've been very helpful throughout this build. It has been said that every Alfa is a race car right out of the factory. We know Alfas well and competitively race them, but we were still surprised at how exhilarating and experienced driving this car can be. All the restoration work from disassembly, engine, mechanicals, panel repair, bodywork, paint, and upholstery were all performed on site by the talented staff at the Paddock Classic Cars.